Hey there, in this video, we will see how to delete PostgreSQL database which was created on Amazon Aura and RDS. Because if you are not using that database, any resource which was created on AWS cloud, which you are not using, it is always good practice to delete that. Otherwise, it will charge some amount from you if those things are running unnecessarily, right? If you see here, my billing, it was increased from $3 to $4, right? Because things are running on cloud, those are not stopped or terminated after use. Okay, if you are not using, better to delete them, right? So to avoid any charges, I am going to delete this because I am not using it. Previously it was created just for tutorial purpose. So let's see how we can delete it. Okay, so directly you can access from here, or you can search here Aura and RDS, or third option, you can go there, click on icon and click on Aura and RDS. Here we can see resource page, like just like EC2 instance, we have resource page for Aura and RDS as well. So here you can find all the resources which was running, which was created during this database creation, or overall resources which you are using for Aura and RDS. Okay, so here we have limit of database instance 20, but we are having only one instance, so you can just click on it or directly go to this database section. Okay, here whatever database you created, you can find out those databases here. Just click on it, and what we will do, we will delete it. Okay, and here it is just flashing some message, proceeding with this section will delete the instance and all it contains and can affect related resources. Create finance snapshot, it is asking please create a finance snapshot before deleting, because he doesn't know this database was created for tutorial purpose. So let me uncheck this. I don't want to create any finance snapshot, and I also don't want to retain any backup, because if I retain the backups and this database is not used, not impacting anything, so retaining backup is not necessary here. If I retain backup, they will charge for that backup storage, correct? So I'm not retaining anything. I just acknowledge this, upon deletion of this instance, automatic backup, everything will no longer be available, and I just type delete me here. Okay, just acknowledge it and type delete me, just delete. See, it is saying deleting, and it might take some time because there was lots of resources which was created during database creation, so it will clear all those things. Okay, so we will wait for the completion. So as I told you, it may take some time, 5 to 10 minutes, or depending on the database size, it may take some time. So no need to panic. Just sit, relax, and wait for the completion. So finally, we have good news. Successfully deleted DB instance database 1. Now, if you go back to the database tab, if you don't find anything, right? It is already clear. Just cross check if any snapshots is there pending, like nothing. Any automated backups which are retained? No. Any retained backup? Nothing. Okay. Now go back to the database. Dashboard. See, there is no instance running. Just check some anything snapshot is there or not. No system snapshot. See, these are there, right? So what we'll try to remove these, but I don't think so we can delete those. You can't delete the system snapshot. To remove system snapshot for an active DB instance, modify the database instance, reduce the automated backup window to remove system. These are the system snapshots, so no need to delete it. Okay, or either you can do just open it. Okay, and it was snapshot creation time is 28th July, right? So it was created by us only, right? So delete snapshot. You can't delete system snapshot because we already deleted that database, correct? Okay, fine. So there is no need to worry about, everything is deleted. And here if you see, let me check if any network related resource is pending to delete or not. Okay, because BPC was also created, right? So I think this was default one, so we can't delete it. Okay, see, unable to delete until completion the following action. Okay, there is nothing to pending. Now let me tell you, we have created one instance to access this RDS instance, like a PostgreSQL database. So one EC2 instance was created that time. Okay, so let me check, and we will delete that instance as well. And from here, if you see one instance which is currently stopped, but as we are not using this as well, so I will terminate this instance. Okay, then delete terminate. Okay, it will not take much time, only few minutes for the completion. If you see, instance is terminated now because it was previously stopped, correct? Now let's see what other EC2 resource which currently we are using. We are using one key pair, so we are also charging. They are also charging for it. Let me delete it. Okay, and I'm not using this key pair anymore. Dashboard. Now go back to and refresh it. Nothing. Now let me check if there is any security group. See, this default one we can't delete it. Okay, let's try to delete this. Delete security group. Delete. We can delete it. Okay, and we will try to delete those two as well. Delete security group, and to confirm, see, the security group can't be deleted. The following security group can't be deleted. They are either default security group, referenced by other security group, or they are associated with instance. So if you see the region one security group which was let's it is loading currently. So if you see this security group, when you open it, you can see edit inbound rule. Okay, there is no rule here, correct? Cancel. And action edit outbound rule. Is there any? See, this was a dependency. It was attached to PostgreSQL database, so you can delete it and save rules. Okay, once you complete that formality, you can delete that security group. Okay, so make sure it is not related to interrelated to anything, otherwise it will not allow to delete. Let me delete this. See, we can delete it, right? Now one is pending, so we will follow the same for another one. Here what I will do, maybe some inbound rule or outbound rule. So there is no inbound rule, there is a outbound rule. Yes, there is no rule. Okay, now we will try to delete this. Okay, we will try to delete this as well. Action delete, we can delete it. Okay, so if you see now go back to the dashboard, and here if you see only one instance which is already terminated, no need to worry about, and only one security group which is default one, and apart from those things there is nothing, correct? Also we will just cross check again if anything is pending in Aura and RDS. Let's check. So here also, if you see event subscription, these are the default one. Okay, default. Nothing is there, correct? DB cluster 0.0. If you see, these are the highest limit we can create those things, right? And we are not using anything currently. Okay, parameter groups. Is there anything? Default. These are the default, so you can't delete those. Okay, and this is reserved for PostgreSQL. This is reserved for, and these was created by default. So now like this, we have cleared both a PostgreSQL database which was running on Aura and RDS, and then we cleared EC2 resources, right? So this is the video. This is very important video if you understand, because if we are not managing resources properly, it will unnecessarily charge some amount. Maybe if you are using high resources, for example large storage, large compute system, and you forget to clean those resources on cloud, it is not like on premises. Let it be, we'll see later, right? But if you are working on cloud computing, it is a best practice. It is very important things to understand how to see. We can easily create instance, right? There's no problem. But when it comes to delete or clean, we need to understand the dependencies. We need to understand what are the things which need to clean. So like this, you can explore the things, and it is not fixed, right? You can just explore and check the what is the dependency. Everything is GUI based, right? So it is very important video to understand how we do the cleanups. I hope you understand and like this video.